Greetings everyone. In this video I'm going to show you some great websites and resources that I use in order to get some royalty-free images and some great clip art and icons. Alright, here we go. The first tool that I'm going to show you is called Pixabay. We can go to pixabay.com and it is where we can get stunning free images and royalty-free stock. There are millions of photos here. Let's take, for instance, technology. We're just going to search technology. Now, I don't even have to log in order to download pictures. This looks like a pretty cool picture, and I can click free download. There are a few different sizes that I can use to download this particular picture. I'm going to just leave it as a 1920 and I'll click download. It will allow me to go ahead and download the picture without registering, but if I register and log in, it will save the different images that I've collected along the way. With Pixabay, photos are just one option. If I click here at the top, I'll be able to see that I can also select from some vector graphics, some illustrations, and then some videos. So let's see what technology videos are there. The first row that we have here are sponsored deals by Shutterstock. So these are ones that I would have to pay for. I'm going to scroll down to the second row and I might need something for social media. And here is a video that I can use. I can actually click on the play button and be able to see what it does. So this is the actual video. And again, I can click free download. I can look at the various ratios and click download here. And again, it will download in the bottom left corner without me even having to register. If I click on the drop down menu, and let's say for instance, I'm not finding exactly what I'm looking for, there are some search options here. So if I click, it will also give me some tips on how I can do some advanced searching to kind of find what I'm looking for. Up next is Pexels.com. Pexels.com is an awesome tool. It is very similar to Pixabay. When I click on the search menu, I'll immediately be able to see that there are a variety of trending topics that come up, but I want to just search technology again, just like we did in Pixabay, to see what we get this time. After I search technology, I can see a variety of photos here. There are also videos as well that I can see. If I click on one of these, I'll click on, let's see, this one. And I'll then be able to see the actual video play right within my browser by clicking on the play button. Some of these videos have sound, some of them do not. And again, I can click on the free download, click on it, and I can just download it directly from within the window. It does give the opportunity for you to be able to support some of these creators of these videos and these photos, to be able to just donate to them here or follow them on Instagram. You might also see sometimes an advertisement here, but that also is what helps to keep the platform going. My video already downloaded in the lower left corner here, but if it didn't, I can always click right here where it says click here to start download. Up next, we have Unsplash. When we go to unsplash.com, we'll be able to see at the top a variety of categories that are already curated for the various pictures that are available. We can also scroll down and see some immediate images that people have been searching for and downloading. I'll just click here and type in, again, technology. I'll then be able to see a variety of images that have to deal with technology. And as you can see, these are very different from the ones that are at Pixabay and even the ones from Pexels. Along the top, I can also see subcategories of technology. So there are smartphones, there are laptops, that I can view various photos for. As you can see, they are really very nice with great quality, and I'll click here on this one, and again in the upper right corner I can click download free, and I'll be able to download it and use it as I see fit. One thing about Unsplash is that it does not have videos available in the platform, but there are some really great photos that you can use. Up next we have Flat Icon or Flaticon. I'm not really sure, but there are some really great graphics. Flaticon is a website that gives you a variety of vector icons. So if I scroll down on the home page, I can see some really awesome and amazing icons that I can use. They are grouped into collections by category. As I scroll back up to the top, I'm going to search again for technology. Hit the enter button, and I'll be able to see that it gives a variety of searching tools or a variety of terms to search with, and then it will spit out a bunch of icons that are here. Now there are free and there are premium icons. So the premium icons actually have this little crown down at the bottom of them. But as we can see, there are a variety of images. So let's take a look at this one. That's a video camera. It brings up just the video camera itself, and I can download it as a PNG format, a SVG, or I can add to a collection and create my own collection. Now that I see the PNG, I'm going to click on it, and I can click free download, and it will download it to my computer immediately. In the upper right hand corner, there are some other icons that are in this collection for this category. So if I want to click to view those, I will need to go ahead and register, but they make it really easy. So I can just register with my Google. I'll just select my Google account that I want to connect and register with. All right, so once I've connected my Google account, I can see the other icons that are in this particular pack, and there are a variety of really nice icons that are in this specific news icon pack. So everything here is dealing with the news, as you can see. If I want to download not just that one icon, but I can download this entire pack by clicking on download pack. One thing about Flaticon is that you get 3 downloads per day with a specific account. So I've already done 2, so I only have 1 more for the day. If you like this icon pack, you can also see that there might be some other variations for Flat. These are the same icons with just a little bit of a different look to them. And then there's also the lineal as well. And these are again the same icons, but there's a different look to them. And again, I can download the entire pack of those icons as well. The last tool that I'm going to show you is called NonProject. Here we are at the NonProject.com. There are immediately some icons available on the screen. I can search for technology, hit the enter button. So here we are at technology, and there are over 43,000 icons and 1,200 collections in the category of technology. I'm just going to click on this icon. It will show me this specific icon. I can also rotate it, change the different degrees. I can also click here and change the color of the icon as well. It is currently on a transparent background. So if I want to change the color of the background, I can click here and put it on a black background if I like that. I can then get this icon. With the NonProject, I have to register in order to download any specific icons or collections that I want to use. But they make it really simple, so I can just sign up with my Facebook account, and here I am. Click on the icon again. Here it is. I can get this icon. There is the Pro download and then the basic download. Now, because I have made some edits to the specific icon, that would qualify for a pro download. So I'm going to click basic download. Now it's saying, wait a minute, you've made some edits and this is a pro download. You need to pay $2.99 in order to download it with these specific edits, or you can click here and lose my edits to download it for free, and it will revert it back to the original icon, and that's what I want. So there, I'll click continue, and then I can download it as either a PNG or an SVG, which I'll just take the PNG. We'll see that because we downloaded it as a PNG, it's on a transparent background, which makes it look really nice for the different images or websites that we use it for. After I've downloaded this particular icon, I can also look to see what other collections there are that include this type of icon, and I can see a variety of ones here that I can also do the same edits and downloads for. There's also one additional tool that I use in order to get great free images, and that would be, you guessed it, google.com. So here I am at google.com, and I'm just going to search technology. Immediately we'll be able to see a variety of articles, but then I just want to click on images, and we have a variety of images here. If I scroll over to tools, so here we are with the variety of images that I can use for whatever I like to do. I can take it a step further. If I need a specific size, I can also get a specific size, or even more so, a specific color. So let's say, for instance, I need a good green technology image. Once I select green, I'll be able to see all of the technology images that are available that go with the color scheme of green. I can also select the type of image. So if I need clip art, line art, or a GIF, let's say for instance I just need clip art. I don't want an actual photo, but I want some green technology clip art. And here we are with some images that are free to use. I can just click on it and then right click on it and save the image to my desktop. All right, that's it. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please leave me a comment and share this video with a colleague or on social media. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and push the little bell so you get notified whenever I post new content. Thanks for watching. See you next time.